When I come here, when I come through those doors to when I leave an hour later, I forget Parkinson's. There's a little bit of magic which happens here. There's like a spark and something happens between them and they form a group which support each other.
We know that being active with Parkinson's can be as good as the right dose of medication, and we often recommend that at least 2.5 hours every week can be the best approach.
It's vital that we give people the opportunity across the whole of Wales to be involved and be healthy and get involved with the sport of table tennis.
The Red Whistle is basically a campaign to sort of raise awareness to our spectators, our families, anyone who comes to watch basketball in Wales, that the people wearing a red whistle are either under the age of 18 or they're very new to refereeing. Basically, give them a chance to make their mistakes, learn on the job.
With the introduction of the red whistle, I feel like there's less pressure on my back to get everything right, which actually ends up me making more correct decisions because that pressure's not there of, oh my gosh, I have to get this right.
Created Girls at Judo because I've been doing judo 22 years myself, and there was so many things I didn't have when I was growing up, and I did suffer myself a lot with anxieties, body confidence. So I just wanted to create a space where females can come, forget that judo's this big throw-in and competitive sport and that we can just enjoy it. There are females in sport that probably want a space like this, and without doing it, you're probably not going to hear from them. And every session I've run, they've been so many smiling faces. We've had questions, we've had people open up to us, and things like that. I think it's just so important that within all sports, females have that area that they can go to speak up about how they feel.
So we started the Ramadan project. We identified an area where we thought that we could give the opportunity to play golf during the month of Ramadan.
I've never really seen people that look like me playing golf, but now through Ramadan golf I've seen a lot more of that. I think it's definitely going to inspire the next generation of the younger people to take up golf as a sport.
If you come at midnight, sometimes you'll see 40, 50 people here on the range and another 30 people on the putting green. Every year we're getting more and more people are taking up lessons, people are now becoming members of courses, so I'm very proud of what we've been able to achieve in such a short space of time.
So we're here at Beaufort Rugby Club, and the money they're saving on their entry costs, they're reinvesting into the mini and junior section to ensure that no child has to pay to play rugby. So the savings they're making from their solar panel share is just reinvested back into the club and back into the game.
Living in the valleys, I suppose there is a lot of poverty and low-income families, and being able to provide these sessions for free means that children from all walks of life are able to access the sport. Life is expensive enough as it is, so if we can offer something for free, then that can be nothing but good.